Yo guys, I just decided to flip this small account of $0.80, and I said since I've been trading different accounts from $2 to $500, from $5 to $500, and from $10 to $1,000, let me try trading a $0.80 to see how much I can trade it with my strategy. With this strategy, so I want to show you how I analyze the market and how I implement and everything that made me to take this trade, because currently we're already in profit of trading this $0.80 account. And let me be showing you, because I'll be flipping this account to a very key amount, because recently I'm the king of trading any small account, because I do trade a small account to a very massive amount. I have a couple of big accounts I do trade, but my main focus is on small account, because I want to show you that in forex trading you can trade any amount of money in forex and make profit if you master the right strategy. My strategy is the right strategy. If you use it and implement it on your trade, you'll be able to make real profit in any amount. In any account, you can pass your pop firm, you can pass your big account, you can flip small account to big account. Anything you want to do, you can do it with just this right strategy. So let's dive into the strategy and the analysis of the market. So if you look at this market, you see what the price did here. The price created something at the very onset. The price created a head and a shoulder pattern. So here is currently, this is the heads, and also this is the shoulder pattern, this place, and also this place, the shoulder pattern. So this one, because before you take a trade, you have to get at least maybe 3 or 4 confluences that will have to show you the ability to execute and take an entry. Because once with small account, any minor movement, you can blow up your account at the go. Just any minor movement, boom, your account is blown. So you have to be very, very specific on your entry and your analysis. So if you check it, the market created the first shoulder, the head, and also another shoulder, and also retested, went down, and it also reached this same zone. And when it reached that exact same zone, I knew that it was going to retest. That was one. And also, let me also show you on that place that the market will also retest to, because currently the market has to fill this very gap. This gap here is a very big space to fill. That's two. Are you seeing how I'm just showing you everything? The market has to fill this very gap to show you something. And also, if you look down at this place, this point from this zone to this zone is a very big liquidity that the market would have to take. That is where the money is. The market is to go where money is, because in this market there are more than 10 billion people or more than 7 billion people trading the market, so trading this forex account. So the market do go where liquidity is. And if you check this very zone is where liquidity is. This very zone till this down zone here, that is where the liquidity is. From this place to this down zone, the liquidity just choke there. So the market will definitely draw down to that place. You saw it from there to draw down to that very liquidity state. And if it now liquidize, then it can now start moving in the direction. And most times, if you want to take a trade, you need to first enter the market at the very right time. So after analyzing this thing, you have to go maybe 1 hour time frame, you have to go to 1 minute time frame. And when you go to 1 minute time frame, you see what the market did here. The market also created another pattern that you also know. You also know this pattern. This is also a head and a shoulder pattern. So this is the head, and also this is the shoulder pattern. This is the shoulder pattern. This is the shoulder, and also this is the shoulder. So currently we are going this small account. We are going this small account from $0.80. We are going into something massive before the end of this video, because before the end of the video I'll be going into something reasonable. I want to see how much I can flip this account into, because I've traded different accounts, but I've not traded a $0.80 account. I've not traded it. So I like having this fantasy of fulfilling every righteousness in the trading. So I want to just trade this and see how the market is going, because one thing my strategy I've tested it in different angle, different way, and I found out that at the end of it our strategy is very solid. If you could, and if you learn the strategy with us, if you learn the strategy, you will see that you can take any trade to a very massive amount. So if you trade anything you want to trade and you make profit, these people do say that you cannot make profit on a small account. If you master this my strategy, you make profit on any small account, you go it to any amount that you want it to go. Currently we are making profit, and we are going to flip this account to something very massive and something very huge in just this trade. And also, if you also trade, you need to go back to the past experience to see what the market did and what the market reacted in those zones. And also, if you're going down, you see what the market did here. I went back to the very past experience and I saw the market also rejected from this zone. This zone is a very key zone. The market which I went back to the past experience, the market which here I'm still rejecting in past experience. So this zone is also a key zone that the market must respect. And if you also go to this zone, you see this zone also, the market also respect it. The market was here at first and it dropped to and started dropping and be dropping down to the very key point. So the market do respect zones, and zones is a place that is must respect. The market also reach here and started dropping down, so it will definitely drop down to a very key place, and if you've watched to this extent, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, don't forget to smash the notification button so that you'll be updated when we drop any important strategy that you need to use in analyzing and your trading and be growing your account and be making profits in your trading journey, and also be trading your account so you'll not be able to take any loss, because this time around is not the time that you be losing and be giving your broker money and be filling them with your money. Also, if you also draw this with a trend line, if you also draw this place, you also see that let me change this thing, let me feel this side so you see what I'm telling you. Then let me feel this thing so that you can be seeing what I'm telling you and does that thing. So if you also draw it, I'm changing it to black. Yeah, I love black. So if you draw this thing, if you draw this thing, you see, that's how you see it. Okay, so if you draw it, you see what the market did here. The market which here retested. So the market also do respect trend lines. The trend line also respected in the market. The market will also start respecting it and be retesting down. So the market switch from this zone, the market started drawing and be moving down to the very key factor. The market was just retesting and be going very downward. So it will move down, and even if it want to end, it will move down to this very zone. The market will move to this very zone, this very key zone here, before it can start creating a bullish momentum. Before it can start creating a bullish momentum, it will move down from this zone to this very zone before it can start creating a bullish momentum.